you got your ligand here and the receptor. The ligand binds to the receptor, creating a triggering effect, transduction, which ultimately creates our main objective. Look at me. Cellular response. Our example of cell signaling is pain medication and addiction, and it deals with the nerve cell and neurotransmitter.
An electrical signal is sent to the neuron, and the sodium channel is triggered to open, and the sodium ions flow inside of the cell, causing a change in charge so that the inside of the cell is positive and the outside is negative. This change in charge causes the potassium channel to open, and potassium ions flow outside of the cell. The active transport is caused by ATP, which triggers the ion channel to open, which causes sodium to flow back to the outside of the cell and potassium to flow back to the inside of the cell, starting the synapse.
The action potential arrives at the synaptic bouton, resulting in depolarization. Depolarization opens the voltage-gated calcium channels, allowing calcium ions to rush into the terminal. Increased calcium in the synaptic bouton induces the secretion of some vesicles. The neurotransmitters then diffuse across the synaptic cleft to the receptors on the postsynaptic cell. This then keeps the receptors are left open for the sodium to flow through, continuing the signal. So we are dealing with addiction, and our example is nicotine. So the nicotine receptor binds to the synaptic bouton, which releases dopamine into the reserve vesicles, and the calcium ion activates the vesicles to release the dopamine, and the dopamine and the nicotine ions are released into the synaptic cleft, binding to the acetylcholine receptors. The ions then keep the receptors open, which allows sodium to flow across for longer amounts of time. The changes in the brain from the excess amount of sodium causes addiction.
How's it going?
Oh my gosh, will you ever stop talking?
Oh.